Hi everyone! Ready to fill your October with pure color and creativity? I'm Alessandra Volker and I want to invite you to two incredible live workshops I'm hosting at Virtual Schoolhouse number 15. First up, on Wednesday, October 14th, we are bringing this charismatic long-necked giraffe friend to life using Inktense pencils and Posca markers. I will show you how to master Derwent Inktense pencils on fabric to create glowing backgrounds, layering unexpected hues like deep purples, teals, and fiery oranges to give your portrait a beautiful three-dimensional feel. Then, on Saturday, October 17th, we shift our focus to the magnificent monarch butterfly. We will explore the power of Posca paint markers directly on fabric, learning how to build rich, opaque layers, seamlessly winged gradients, and striking details. Both sessions are 6-hour intensive masterclasses, completely online and absolutely perfect for all skill levels, from beginners to seasoned artists. Let's turn blank fabric into Technicolor masterpieces. Secure your spots at Virtual Schoolhouse number 15 and let's play with color. See you there!